All right, so today we were working on a furnace. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 20-30 degrees up here in this attic, and just kind of wanted to see or show you guys that you know, I'm sure several people bid this job, and you know, the guy that bid to do it correctly and to put in an insulated cabinet furnace probably didn't get the bid, and the guy that bid the cheapest stuff got the bid, and that's unfortunately what we see 95% of the time. So I just want to kind of show you guys. So here it is in an attic. I'll turn on my light so you can see this cabinet. So here is a furnace. As you can see, here is the bottom side of the furnace. Here's the top side of the furnace. Here is the blower. Return air's coming in. So we've got an insulated duct here. Good job, whoever did this one. And then we've got all other sides of this furnace are just basically a piece of metal. So there's no insulation on this. So on this side of the system, on all sides of this system, we've got 20-degree air. And you can feel this metal is freezing cold. And we're pulling air from the homeowner's house, bringing it through our blower, running it by all this freezing cold metal surfaces, and then trying to heat it back up. The correct way to do this would be to have a insulated cabinet, which is what you should have up in an attic. This furnace would be great if it was inside of a basement or if it was in a conditioned space. But all these furnaces are just uninsulated cabinets installed up in attics. And the other ones that we were on the other day, the plenum, which is down there, also was uninsulated. So you've got insulated ducts, flex ducts, tied to all this uninsulated cabinetry. I'm sure that the AC coil is insulated, so we do have a little bit of insulation protection against the freezing cold temperatures up here. But I don't know if it matters or not, but generally I would rather see a return air plenum tied to this, and then this tied to the plenum, instead of just cutting right into the side of the furnace and adding a return. I'm sure it works fine. It just seems like it'd make more sense to have a plenum here and have the duct round to it. So we're just up here to replace a circuit board that had failed on this system, and I just wanted to point out just another situation where the cheapest bidder won, and unfortunately the homeowner pays the price. Thanks for watching.